Okay, hey guys, my name is Jacey. We're at Wabash, and today we are going to be discussing garlic. Shout out to Jennifer who wanted us to do this video. So just remember that with garlic, it's going to take about 90 to 100 days for it to form a new head. So what we have right here is a Nootka garlic head. And the way we plant them is we're going to buy one and we're going to break up these cloves, okay? There's like anywhere from 10 to 15 cloves in each one. And what we're going to do is we're going to go right here. I'm just going to do one hole here with my finger, and another one right here, okay? We don't need to go that far down, maybe about just covering the head right there, and right here. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the bottom end. We want to have this up at the top. So we're going to go right here as well. Each one of these will produce a whole new head, meaning 10 to 15 more cloves, which is exactly what we're wanting to get out of this. They will be ready if we plant them now about mid to end of February, but make sure that you have good drainage in your area and that we do not overwater. Garlic is something that we only are able to have the soft necks here in this southern climate. We don't have any hard necks. And so when they're ready, they'll sort of just topple over. So plant on, guys, and keep it up.